The financial markets are abuzz with talk about Bitcoin, a potential SEC action. Well, what's been happening? Well, of course, at Christmas time, we saw Bitcoin around 25,000, 27,000, and then went to 30. It was strange. It was going up, seemingly defying gravity. And of course, we didn't know what was going on. And many of us, including me, said, this is strange. And actually, I sold some Bitcoin around that time, because the price action didn't seem to make sense. It continued to rise. And then, of course, we saw Musk starting to hype the Bitcoin price. Okay, wow. What was going on? Was the price manipulated? Did people lose money because of that manipulation? And was it legal or was it illegal? Of course, the SEC will look and see what they think. If you actually owned the stock as a financial advisor and then you didn't declare you owned it and you hyped that stock, the stock went up in price, they'd say market manipulation, heavy fine, potential jail sentence. If we take it in those terms, it's not a stock, of course, but nevertheless, what is Bitcoin? Is it a currency? Is it a commodity? What is it? Well, of course, Tesla say they're going to accept it. So therefore, they're actually saying, in effect, it's a currency. Is it a currency? Well, maybe it's a currency. Some people say it's gold-like, so a commodity with limited amounts. What is Bitcoin? That's the first question. And we certainly now know that in December, when that price was going up, defying gravity, actually, it was Tesla buying Bitcoin and buying massive amounts of it. Then, of course, what did Musk do? He changed on his Twitter. He put Bitcoin as a logo on his Twitter. No big deal. He said, I'm a fan of Bitcoin. And of course, he hyped, but it was subtle. Was it an offense? Maybe. It wasn't an offense. Certainly for me, if I look at it, I'd go, oh, that's potential market manipulation. Will the SEC do anything? Well, here's my take. I actually think they may change the rules, and I wouldn't be surprised that the SEC take action to try and make sure that people don't potentially manipulate the market. What do you think? Do you think that Musk has manipulated the market? Do you think the SEC should take action? What's your view? Please leave your view below. Interesting to see. We've now seen Bitcoin approach 50,000, back down to 47,000. Of course, if we see SEC take action, you could get a drop in Bitcoin. Long term, I think Bitcoin is going to be going up, but I think it's got some tailwinds. It's got some headwinds, rather, that it needs to take. It needs to be aware that it's going to have some form of regulation. It's not going to be allowed just to go as it is. But that's my opinion. Again, what's yours? Interesting times for the financial market. I'm a fan of digital currencies, as you know. I'm also a fan of making sure that the markets aren't manipulated, so it's fair for everybody. Seems reasonable. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please hit that like button and dislike if you want to dislike. But if you do dislike, stick a comment below and tell me why, so at least I understand. Please share the video so I can get out more information on a regular basis.